Hi guys, what's up?
Started.
Hey, what's up guys, it's Kelsey. This week's video, we're doing a fart soundboard challenge. Basically, what it is one of us will play the fart sound, we have to say the name of it, and then the other two people, whoever laughs first, drinks.
I think I can. On the can.
It was me! I'm gonna go with my personal favorite, dueling buttholes. That was crazy, it was crazy. It would be hard. Okay. Hold on.
This one is door jam. I'm a violinist.
It's not even good.
It sounds like something from Bob's Burgers.
My fart noise is called stuttering on the John. You drink.
Choke. This one's called Donut Cream. Great. This one's called Cello Below.
Come on.
She wasn't ready.
The one I'm going to be using is called Tuna Melt Madness.
I can't do this. You're like so good. I don't know how. Weed eater.
That was me. I was laughing.
Oh, I thought you meant that was this one. Ready? It's called Oprah Winfrey. Yes, I got it.
The fart I am choosing. Variety show.
Macaroni and squeeze. Here you go. This one is called Clucking Chicken.
Okay, so the fart noise I'm going to make, Puff Daddy.
You didn't like
She
it.
wasn't ready.
No!
She wasn't ready.
Stop! Stop! There's nothing in wet. What's the problem? Okay. Bowels of the Titanic.
Holy crap, that one's long! Holy crap, oh my god!
Just that way to make it stop.
So, the fart I'm going to choose, Anus Madness. The sound of Grace trying not to laugh is like,
That's what made me laugh. Look at her mouth is quivering.
no. So this is the last one.
Uh-oh. Wait, what is it called? Uh-oh.
So,
Oh, by the way, I forgot to introduce you guys. This is Diana, and that's Grace. Okay, well that was the first soundboard challenge. I challenge you all to do it. Like, comment below, and subscribe. I'll see you in next week's video. Baby.
soundboard.
The funeral, so I'm emotional. I'm crying. I'm a mess.
I'm crying. No, stop it.
It's a funeral, so I'm crying. I'm a mess. She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
We used to do this in 6th grade where you couldn't laugh.
Yeah, but I used to win.
Well, I used to lose, so.
We know that. Compose yourself, Grace. I got that.
Oh my god.
Compose yourself.
What does that even mean?
Get it because you compose music.
Yeah, I know, I got the joke, but I don't know what you're trying to
Like,
say.
compose yourself, like, calm down.
Get it break the farts.
Yes, I'm weird like
That
that.
one was terrible. This kid gets in the way. Do you remember when we got in trouble for that in 6th grade?
What?
You were singing like, let it die, let it die.
You got in trouble for that?
Yeah, the lunchies were like, you can't talk about death, no.
Yeah,
And I was just like, it's not about death. That was...
my horoscope is. Remember, Grace, you play Pokemon?
Yes. I don't play Pokemon, okay?
Idiot, it's not Pokemon. San Diego.
Yeah, my friend name's
Where's that? Okay, are you becoming like Carly where you can't
No,
tell her
I
Princess Art?
just-
She thought that
Bloopers!
she thought that Jesus was born in
Jesus?
Jesus was born in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. So of course she thought that Jesus was Pennsylvanian. Wait, what?
Yeah, well, the macaroni and cheese one didn't sound like macaroni and cheese.
Macaroni and cheese doesn't have a sound.
No, it does.
Yeah, it has to be the disgusting sound.
No.
It is a really weird moist sound like when you move it, and it's so gross. I told you so. I told you so. I told you so.
Name had me wet and whippy.
What the hell is doing?
What are you doing?
No. I was just pressing button.
Yeah.
Water. I told you, Kelsey is going to let it out.